I am a blind Paralympic swimmer for Team USA. I am 16. When I was 14, I noticed that I had a significant loss in vision. So my parents took me to a bunch of specialists and we got a lot of testing done, and I came back with a genetic disease and an autoimmune disease. So obviously that shook me up a lot. I stopped eating, I stopped getting out of bed, and it was a battle to get me out. I remember screaming and cursing out my parents that I did not want to leave the house at all. I didn't want to have to use my cane. I didn't want people staring at me. I just felt completely hopeless and worthless. I didn't want to live anymore. Ever since I was little, my dad taught me how to swim, and I was swimming in the ocean ever since I was a baby. Once I really lost my vision, completely, I got in the water for the first time and I felt like a connection and a bond with it. I felt so free, like nothing was holding me back. After a long time of searching for a coach, we found an amazing guy who has helped me so much and really taught me how to swim all over again. So now when I'm swimming, I hit my finger on the side of the lane line, and that's how I know that I'm staying straight. And then when I'm at the end of the pool, I'll get a tap on the head and then I'll know how to flip. Now we figured it out and I got it down pretty pat. As a Paralympic athlete, I have won 2 gold medals just recently in Australia, which was amazing. It's crazy to think about when you're wearing a cap that says your last name on it and you're swimming for your country. It's the best feeling ever. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Just put your mind to it and don't let anything stop you. I think that being blind has such a stereotype. I like to be dressed up and look my best, and I think that a lot of people just don't understand that. And even though I can't see the makeup that's on me, even putting a little bit of makeup on makes me feel more beautiful and it makes me feel more confident. It's really hard for blind people to do makeup, especially if they're not taught how to do it. I went into Sephora and all of the people that work there were showing me tips and tricks and giving me advice on what would look good. For most of my products, I know what they feel like. For eyeshadows, I have different bump dots that are on the palette, so I put that on my makeup so I can tell them apart. I just want to show the world that I'm different, but I'm also the same as you. I still have dreams. I want to accomplish amazing things in my life, and I want to show people that this is what a blind girl can do.